Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the new Voyager rod and fish. First, ensure your character is at least fishing level 100 to unlock the crafting recipe. You will need to gather specific materials: 3 opals, 3 void wood, and 1 magic thread. Additionally, prepare 30,000 cash for the crafting fee. This rod offers excellent perks, including a 25% chance for fossilized fish, which sell for 2.5 times their original value. To begin, you must gain access to the Ancient Archives, the exclusive crafting location for the Voyager rod. Navigate your boat to the Ancient Isles, being mindful of ocean obstacles. Once there, find the waterfall on the island's western side. Use your glider to fly into the hidden cave behind it. Inside, a rope will guide you directly to the Ancient Archives crafting station. This area is crucial for your rod's creation. Now, let's focus on gathering your materials. Opals are found at meteor crash sites on the Ancient Isles. You can even use a meteor totem to spawn one. For void wood, head to Keeper's Altar and fish there. It has the best drop rates. Magic thread can be obtained by fishing or by opening treasure chests. Remember, you will also need 30,000 cash to complete the crafting process. Once you have all the materials and the required cash, proceed to the large stone anvil within the Ancient Archives. Interact with it to open the crafting menu and select the Voyager rod. Confirm your choice to craft it, spending your collected items and 30,000 cash. This rod has a 25% chance to fossilize fish, increasing their value significantly. Consider enchanting it for better control or resilience, as its base stats can be mediocre.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.